Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a quick little tutorial showing you guys how to make this super cute little crepe paper desk Christmas tree. I didn't really decorate my craft room for Christmas, so I figured I'd just make some cute little trees that I'll have sitting down on my desk. Super easy to make, you guys. These are all over Pinterest in total different formats. So I made this pink one. And I just added a bunch of little gold balls and this super cute little star that was gifted to me in some birthday challenge mail. And it came in handy for my tree. So I did stitch up because you do need that little flare for your tree. So that's why I have it stitched. This one, I'm not 100% happy with it, but it'll do. Hopefully this one turns out a little bit better since it's going to be my second time doing it. All you're going to need is one of these little cones from Dollar Tree and some crepe paper. Stitch that bad boy up. And I'm going to do a pom-pom this time around for the top of this tree just so they can look a little bit different. I was actually thinking about cutting the tree a little bit because I wanted it to be a small, like a tall one and a short one. So I might end up doing that. Let me go cut this a little bit and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I ended up cutting the top part because that's where my pom-pom is gonna go anyway, and it kind of makes my tree a little bit shorter. So when it's next to this one, they look like two different trees. So what we're gonna do is we're going to decorate the tree now with our trim. I just did like 6 pieces that I'm going to be wrapping around, and just add some hot glue. Super easy, you guys. I'm actually going to put my pom-pom down, so I'm just adding a bunch of hot glue to the top and then laying down my cute little pom-pom. I love it. It's not even done and I already love it. Okay, so we're gonna put down our first little layer of trim. Gonna add some hot glue all the way around. You guys, please be careful. I burnt the crap out of my finger before making the pink one. It hurts so bad. Okay, so you just want to wrap that. No perfect way, because your tree is going to get fluffed up. So I'm trying to see if I make this, I want my tree to fluff up. Okay, so you just keep adding some glue until your trim is completely down. I'm not the best at this. I feel like I should have lowered this. I should have high this a little bit. Hold on. Let me see if I could still do that. Yeah, that's pretty good. And then you're going to just keep wrapping your pieces all the way around. Okay. Ooh, what is this? A little glue drop. And go all the way around. It's just something a little cute to put on your desk. And I'm going to add some more. So I'm going to finish adding my little layers and I'll be right back. Okay guys, here's our cute little tree and I love it. It's so cute. I feel like they're going to be like two totally different trees next to each other, which is exactly what I wanted. And you guys know that I had made these cute little pasta bowls. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some around the tree just to decorate them. I think it's gonna look super cute, just randomly around the tree. I think I only have like a few of them anyway. And put one right here. And glue strings. Let's see. Where else I want to put it? Maybe right here. I need to make some more of these bows, you guys. And then one right here. Really cute. I want it to be only like where I'm gonna be showing the tree, because they're gonna be displayed. So I'll just put this one right here. But look, you guys, how cute is that? Fun little trees, and you could decorate your desk and stare at something pretty while you're crafting. Look at that. You can also cut out a big like little stand for it, like a little circle. I'm leaving mine as is, but I love them. That is it for this super quick little tutorial. Let me know if you guys are gonna try it. Decorate your desk with some cute little crepe paper Christmas trees. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.